Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best modern teapot sets that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Kendall 27 ounces glass filtering tea maker teapot with a warmer and 6 CJ-800 milliliters teacups. This is one of the best modern teapot sets worth buying. It comes with a 27 ounces glass tea maker cum teapot with filter plus 6 cute tiny 3.04 ounces bowl-like glass cups. With the Kendall CJ 800 ml modern teapot set, you do not need to budget for separate sieves or teacups or you are already sorted. Plus, it comes with a practical teapot warmer that lets you brew tea or coffee without requiring a third-party source of heat. Moving on at number 4, we have the 77L Complete Tea Service Set. You will love the 77L modern teapot set for its simple but smooth cute appearance. Although it lacks a teapot warmer, this set comes with a 22 ounces ceramic teapot, plus 4 3.4 ounces ceramic cups, each accompanied with a ceramic saucer. You can simply place the teapot on your stove to brew delicious, rich tea or coffee. This amazing easy-to-clean and dishwasher-safe teapot set is great for home as well as party use. At number 3, we have the Zen's Complete Teapot Set with. When you buy this amazing teapot set, you get a fine porcelain teapot with a carefully designed brown handle, plus 2 fine white porcelain cups each with a rattan coaster to match the pot's handle. The double wall cups are made in such a way that you will not feel too hot from outside when you drink hot tea from a cup. They also keep tea warm for longer compared to other teacups. Plus, the set also comes with a detachable tea infuser, which allows you to brew or steep rich quality tea that tastes superb. At number 2, we have the Maya Luxurious Teapot Set. This unbelievable teapot set from Maya Luxurious comes in the manufacturer's signature black as well as gold box, with all pieces beautifully presented inside. In the box, there is a single glass teapot with a removable infuser, and 4 cute glass cups with saucer each. While the pot looks fragile, make no mistake about the fact that this pot is suitable for your microwave, stovetop, and dishwater. The elegant set makes you feel like a royal with every delicious sip. And finally at number 1, we have the Zen's Portable Mobile Design Teapot Set with inbuilt infuser. The Zen's teapot set screams out elegance and sophistication. First of all, the bag in which this amazing set comes boasts a sophisticated design with superior quality fabric, 2 tail-to-tail zippers, and a small strap. The set consists of a 5.64 ounces Nordic minimalist design double-walled glass teapot, which lacks a handle but has 2 hollows, instead, for holding purposes, plus a built-in filter with 2 spouts. Other items include 2 double-walled design glass cups with a coaster each. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.